Did you know that fluent English speakers often rely on just a few hundred common phrases? In fact, the top everyday phrases are used again and again in conversations. If you want to speak smoothly and naturally, learning these is the best place to start. In this lesson, we'll teach you 20 real phrases that people use all the time. They're simple, useful, and will instantly make your English sound better. Just listen, repeat, and follow along with each one. Let's learn how to sound fluent in real English conversations. You don't need to know hard words to sound natural. Just use the right phrases that people say every day. In this video, we'll show you 20 common phrases that make your English better. These are short, simple, and easy to remember. Listen and repeat each one as you go. Our first phrase is "What's up?" It's a friendly way to say hello. You can use it with friends or people you know. It means, "How are you?" or "What's new?" You don't always need to answer seriously. Just say "Not much" or "All good." It's casual and very common. Next is "I'm good, thanks." When someone asks, "How are you?" This is a perfect reply. It's short and polite. You can also add, "How about you?" to keep the talk going. This small phrase helps build friendly conversations. Try it the next time someone greets you. Here's a useful one. Sounds good. This means you agree or accept an idea. If someone says, "Let's meet at 5, you can say, "Sounds good." It's friendly and simple. You can also say this after a suggestion or plan. It shows that you're okay with it. Another great one is "let me know." It means "tell me later" or "keep me updated." For example, "let me know if you're coming." It shows you're open to hearing back. People use this at work, school, and in chats. It's short and useful in many situations. Try saying "I'm just kidding" after a joke. It means you're not serious. For example, "You're so slow. I'm just kidding." It helps people know you are joking. It's a good way to keep things friendly. Use it if your joke might be misunderstood. The phrase "no worries" is also very common. It means "it's okay" or "don't worry about it." If someone says "sorry," you can say "no worries." It's friendly and calm. You can also use it to say "you're not upset." It keeps the conversation relaxed. Here's one for when you're unsure. "I'm not sure." Use it if you don't know the answer. For example, "I'm not sure where he is." It's honest and natural. People say it often in daily talk. It shows that it's okay not to have all the answers. A polite way to ask again is, "Could you say that again?" Use it if you didn't hear someone clearly. It's better than just saying, "What?" This shows good manners and helps you understand. You can also say "sorry" or "pardon" in a soft tone. If you agree with someone, say "that's true." It shows you understand and support what they said. For example, "It's really cold today." "Yeah, that's true." It makes the talk smoother. You can use it often in daily chats with friends or coworkers. Let's add "I don't mind." This means you're okay with something. If someone asks, "Do you want tea or coffee?" and you don't care, say, "I don't mind." It helps keep things easy. It's polite and shows you're open to both choices. Next is, "It depends." Use this when there's no simple answer. For example, "Do you like working at home?" It depends. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It's useful when your answer changes based on the situation. People say it all the time. A good way to end a chat is "catch you later." It means "see you soon." It's friendly and informal. You can use it with friends, classmates, or coworkers. Say it when leaving a message or in person. It makes your goodbye sound more relaxed. If you're surprised, say "no way." It means "really?" Or, I can't believe that. For example, he won the contest. No way. It shows shock or excitement. Use it when something unexpected happens. It makes your reaction feel real and fun. Another useful one is that makes sense. It means you understand now. If someone explains something clearly, you can say this. For example, oh, that makes sense now. It's polite and shows you were listening. People like hearing it. Say, take your time if someone is rushing. It means don't hurry. It's kind and helpful. For example, I'll be a bit late. No problem. Take your time. It shows you're patient and calm. A great phrase for friendly talk. The phrase, I guess so, means you agree a little, but not fully. For example, it might rain. I guess so. It's soft and unsure. It helps when you don't want to say yes or no strongly. Use it when you're not completely sure. Let's learn not really. It means no, but gently. If someone asks, do you like spicy food? And you don't, say, not really. It's not rude. It sounds calm and polite. Use it when you want to say no without sounding too strong. Here's a very common one. You know what I mean? It checks if someone understands. You can use it after explaining something, like, it's hard to wake up early, you know what I mean? It keeps the talk friendly and shows you want a connection. Say, I'm in when you agree to join a plan. For example, let's go to the movies. I'm in. It's excited and friendly. It shows you want to join. It's great for group chats, plans, and invitations. Use it when you say yes with energy. A great one to close with is, that's a good point. Use this when you agree with someone's idea. For example, we should leave early. That's a good point. It shows you're thoughtful and respectful. It helps keep the talk positive. These 20 phrases are easy to use and help you sound more fluent in real life. You don't need long or complex words to sound smart. Just practice these daily and use them when you speak. Soon, they will become part of your natural English. Keep listening and repeating. You've just learned the secret to speaking more like a native. These are the phrases people use every day, at work, in texts, and in casual talks. Try using one or two today. The more you speak them, the better you'll sound. Keep going. You're doing great. Well done. You've now learned 20 everyday English phrases that fluent speakers use all the time. Practice them often so they feel natural when you speak. These little phrases can make a big difference in how confident you sound. If this video helped you, leave a like and share it with a friend who's learning too. Subscribe for more short, simple English lessons you can really use. Keep practicing. You're getting better every day.